Hi guys, what's up? Good morning and welcome to the channel. It's another day with Fellow F. All right, guys, today we're going to dive deeper into the crypto space. A lot has been happening lately. Looking at what happened this week, that's for the past couple of weeks, not just this week, Bitcoin left $126,000 on the 6th of October to where it is right now, or even went lower to less than 100K. That's over, right down to about $99,300. All right, that was last night. I watched it happen. All right, but that's nothing big. All right, if you go to the daily structure or to the daily time frame, you place your charts very well to look at how Bitcoin has been reacting over the past couple of months or past couple of weeks. You realize that this crash was inevitable. All right, we could not avoid it. So what I'm telling you is, in moments like this, you don't need to panic. All right, what you need to do is actually go back on your charts, check to find out exactly what's happening. Don't just follow the hype and keep investing without looking at price action. No matter what, technical analysis works. All right. Just look at the right on my chart or on the screen right now. You see, I have plotted out my Fibonacci so that you can see price just tapped into the 50% retracement zone, which is very cool. It's normal for every trader to expect a pullback when trading. All right. Now, for us holders, it doesn't even affect me in any way. All the crypto assets I'm holding, I just feel, oh, this is part of the game. I wasn't expecting price to just be skyrocketing back to back without giving us pullbacks. All right. I don't know how long you've been in this game. I don't know how long you've been trading, but I think you should take your time to understand how it works. All right. That's why margin trading is risky for beginners. But if you understand it perfectly, this is where the big people or the real traders are getting in. All right, they already took their profits at the top. That's one of the reasons why price had to start crashing, because many people, many big traders started taking profits. All right, and now for position traders, they don't give a fuck. They don't care about what's happening, because all these moves are just part of the game. Normally, you will not have an uptrend without having pullbacks. All right, like you see, when you have an uptrend, you always have a pullback. It's simple. It's simple. That's very simple. All right, which means at this point, you should not be scared. Rather, what you should do is do more research to understand the assets you are actually investing in. Know exactly what the asset is all about, the ecosystem is all about, and strategize better and keep accumulating. All right, that's why I keep saying, for beginners, you don't need to hurry and start trading. All right, you should focus more on holding. All right, I started this conversation yesterday in my personal forum that's on WhatsApp. So if you are not yet there, the links to this are somewhere, I don't know, in my description, so you can join us and also benefit from every personal conversation I have with my community. All right, every opportunity that I present is there. I also have a masterclass coming up, so you can also secure your seat and actually find your place in the waiting list. All right, that's very cool. So there is another thing about the crypto market so many people fail to understand. A few months back or a few years back, most countries actually were against cryptocurrency. Nigeria banned cryptocurrency. The United States of America banned cryptocurrency. China banned cryptocurrency. Even Cameroon banned cryptocurrency. So many other countries did the same thing, which means they were completely against it. But now, do you know, Asia is waking up. The United States is trying to be the hub of crypto. All right? The White House has a whole setup for that, just for cryptocurrency itself. MicroStrategy is currently on the S&P 500, or amongst the S&P 500, the top 500 companies of the United States of America. What is MicroStrategy all about? It's a Bitcoin institution. It's just a company for Bitcoin. All right. Then BlackRock. is heavily into cryptocurrency, and other major systems are getting into the cryptocurrency space. The Trumps family already has an ecosystem in the crypto space. Guys, what are you thinking? Did you think these guys really want you to be rich? No, they don't. All right? If everyone gets rich, who will work for them? That's why the educational system is the way it is, so that most of us will be employees to the major systems, to the government, to Uncle Sam. This is a topic we'll talk another day. I don't want to get deep into that right now, but I just want you to understand that normally they have to shake out all the weak hands, let all of us who are still struggling to build our space in the, or to build our finances using crypto, let us fall off so that they can maintain their position as the top rank, all right, in the world. So if you want to be among the top 1%, you need to think like the top 1%, all right? So what I'm telling you right now is build your systems around cryptocurrency, build your mind to understand how the crypto space works, how finances work, because in the financial space where you have whales, know that the little fish, like these other types of fishes, are swallowed. They are food for the whales. So you should not be food for the crypto whales, all right? Don't sell your crypto right now. Hold your coins tight, all right? Show more love to your coins right now, because after now, there will be a drastic bull run that no one has seen before. Mark this video, all right? Put it on your watch list, save it, and come back to it. And after that, you will tag me and tell me, oh, fellow, thank you very much for this video, because this video changed my life, all right? So I believe this video must have helped you in one way or the other. So show some love by subscribing to the channel, and also share your views in the comment section, because from your views, I generate new ideas, new videos for you guys. This is completely educational. It's for educational purpose. I am not actually telling you, I'm not giving you financial advice. What I'm saying is do your research, invest wisely, and catch the move. All right, guys, see you at the top.